Nutrients for anxiety?
There are at least 8 nutrients linked to our risk of anxiety, so let's focus in on just 3 of them. Let's look at the amino acid lysine, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. In a 2007 double-blind placebo-controlled clinical trial, 1 week of supplementation with L-lysine along with L-arginine led to a significant decrease in anxiety measures as well as lower cortisol, the stress hormone. And in a 3-month-long randomized double-blind clinical trial from 2004, lysine fortification resulted in lower cortisol, lower sympathetic nervous system arousal, and reduced chronic anxiety. Low vitamin C intake is widely associated with stress-related disorders like anxiety. And there's some really interesting clinical trials showing that increasing vitamin C can help. For example, in a 2015 randomized controlled double-blind clinical trial, high school students were given either 500 milligrams of vitamin C or a placebo every day for 14 days. Those receiving vitamin C had significant reductions in their anxiety levels and heart rate. And in a similarly designed clinical trial in college students receiving a high-dose vitamin B6 supplement or a placebo for 1 month, those receiving vitamin B6 scored much lower on screening for anxiety disorders. Now, I know it's tempting to hear about these 3 nutrients and want to run out and buy supplements. But remember that this is just 3 out of at least 8 nutrients linked to our risk of anxiety. And that's why Nutrivore is such an important dietary concept. The goal is to get all of the nutrients our bodies need from the foods we eat without engaging in a restrictive diet mindset, so it stops being an on again, off again kind of thing. And if that sounds interesting to you, I recommend grabbing a copy of my book, Nutrivore. Not only do I go through the eating patterns that make it really easy to get all of the nutrients our bodies need, but I also explain the exact connection between 27 nutrients and a health condition. And the link between vitamin C and mental health is one of them.